was so strange to see you out on the weather deck there without the sun beaming behind you.
I've grown accustomed to it, but the thing is, it's still pretty nice out.
Yeah.
Like in a lot of other patterns, we'd be like, yeah, today's pretty decent, but we had some clouds out there today, and very isolated shower chance is our next shower chance probably in about a week. So this is
slim chances all around.
Yeah, this is it. Visible satellite showing some clouds drifting through, but yeah, there's some clouds out there, mid-level here, and then high level all the way up into Aroostook County where temperatures were warmest. Radar shows a pretty decent batch of rain down to our south. Most indications are, though, that the vast majority of this will fall apart before it moves into Maine, since the storm system is missing to our south and east. So we'll watch it come up, and there's an outside chance that one of these showers makes it to the coast this late afternoon, early evening. I don't think there's much of that around, though. Temperatures are in the 50s. And then tomorrow morning, there's our next best chance of a shower. And you can see a lot of that just scoots right by the coast. But, you know, this is not precise. It's a small scale model looking at a larger scale event. So there's a possibility these showers end up here instead of out over the ocean. And that's where we could pick up a quick sprinkle tomorrow morning. After that, we clear out by mid to late morning, actually have a really nice afternoon, upper 70s to around 80 tomorrow afternoon. The secondary front comes through, that resets our air mass, brings dew points back down to really, really crisp, and also knocks temperatures down about 7 or 8 degrees. So we have a high around 70 on Friday, but it's a nice day. It's just a little bit more fallish, and that's where we'll go into the weekend. Watch these overnight lows Friday night into Saturday dropping down into the 30s across a good part of the state. Even along the coastline, we have a chance to get to upper 30s by Friday night into Saturday morning. So there's that high building in for Friday night, Saturday, Sunday. Weekend looks good, but it is cool. High temperatures on Saturday only in the mid 60s for most of us. Here's Sunday morning, probably the coldest morning there. Just about 40 along the coast, but again, a 39 wouldn't shock me. And the rest of the state is in the 30s, both Saturday morning and Sunday morning. A little bit of weather drama maybe for mid next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, where the European model brings a cold front through, gives us some rain, and cools temperatures down into the upper 60s to around 70. Meanwhile, the GFS model holds that front, doesn't give us the rain, and also brings us temperatures in the mid and upper 80s. And there's actually a lot of swing in this, because if we have this solution, the drought obviously continues and we'll have dry weather and some heat, which would not be ideal, probably from the fire weather perspective. So we'll keep an eye on that battle next week as to who wins out. I did put a shower chance in on Tuesday, giving the nod to the European model, which I think is probably more likely. So I would bet on maybe some showers there and not as much heat. But you know what, guys? In this pattern, would anyone be surprised that that front doesn't come through and it's 85? I mean, that's kind of the only reason I even bring that possibility up. So we'll keep an eye on it. Weekend, nice but cool. Highs in the 60s, like 65 for a high.
Huh,
There's a big difference between that and like 72.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Keith, thank you.